Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bulk add assignees to your Clickup tasks. So this can be a little bit tricky of how to do it because on the UI it's not super clear. So let's go ahead. Actually, I'm just going to assign all of these to myself because this is my board. So I just clicked the checkbox. If you wanted to do a certain amount, you could just do each individual checkbox. But let's go ahead and add assignees here. I am going to choose myself, or I could enter in an email or what have you. I am going to add myself there. And I assigned all of these to myself. Now, I'm sure I'll get some type of push notification saying, hey, you've been added. But I don't know if I have that app on my phone right now. But that's just kind of a quick how to do it. If you wanted to do the same thing for undoing it, you'd probably just go to set assignees and then you'd go unassign here. But that's how you bulk add assignees in Clickup. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. It really helps me out. You can check out more Clickup tutorials down in the description below.